This beautiful home in the heart of Eye of Africa is the perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. Eye of Africa is a beautiful, vibrant, prestigious golf estate in the south of Johannesburg that encapsulates undisturbed what Africa offers in such abundance. I'm Daniela de Rocha, interior designer, stylist, and creative director at the Rocha Interiors and Atelier. This is the Maphisa Residence. A refuge from the city, I wanted the clients to feel immersed in the belonging and calm of their space. I always take inspiration from my clients and their lifestyle. The homeowners are a trendy couple with a young family that love all things fashion and luxury. And this motivated me to design a trendy home with a sophisticated palette. This home has the perfect balance between local and international craftsmanship. We created the look and feel by incorporating mainly local South African furniture and pieces, and elevated the style by adding imported Italian furniture pieces and European fabrics and wallpaper. The artwork creates a cultural modern African aesthetic, Afro-chic modernism. The brief from the client was to create a livable space for the whole family and that caters for entertaining guests. The homeowners love entertaining and hanging out with friends, so entertaining was key. I used a neutral palette mainly with eye-catching pops of color and of course my favorite, black and white, creating a bold, sophisticated, unexpected impact. We used African mahogany timbers for that rich hue and paired it with luxurious materials from luxe velvets to brass and marble elements in the furniture, joinery and cabinetry, creating consistency and continuity throughout the home. This adds to the calmness and stillness of the space. Soft marbles and stone details complement the textures and tones of the fabrics and finishes and add different elements, allowing a sense of luxury and discovery. The timber slatting and cladding was a continuous element I used throughout the home. I love wood and its natural, homely and timeless effect. The lounge was one big open space with a step in between, so we used loose screens to define each lounge space from formal to informal, back to back, but still keeping a continuous openness. Each room has its own character and scheme, yet keeping within the guidelines of the rest of the home. The cabinetry was also custom designed to each individual. The children have an incorporated study area and enough room for their personal items. The style of joinery throughout their rooms is similar, but we coordinated them to the area by changing the colors, yet still keeping the uniformity throughout the home. White soft duco and natural oak to keep with the femininity of the girls' suite, and then a more moody modern approach with a teenage son's room in charcoal greys and titanium monocoat oak to complement the bold ochre, black and white scheme. Wall treatments such as the stucco on the staircase and entrance recess are impactful in a charcoal tone that complemented the floors and created a sense of depth. Imported wallpapers and fabrics are a simple way to add character and color schemes to a space. The curtains and blinds were also a constant throughout the home. We used a relaxed modern style wave pleat with beautiful calendared linens right through. Its simple clean lines complement the furniture and style. Roller sheer weave blinds are the most functional way to keep direct sunlight from damaging the interior pieces, and they are functional and clean. We used aluminium shutters in the bathrooms throughout. Your home interior should be an experience, a journey and a discovery for your senses. The perfect lighting and pendants were used to create an aesthetic ambience, whilst we incorporated the Rocha Interiors Essence collection, from the smart diffusers that fragrance the whole home to each space having a Dr. Frangi's diffuser to give character in each area, the sense of smell and just how it can make you feel in each space. The highlight of this home for me was the entrance hall, and first impressions are of utmost importance, but each area has its own pinnacle and is personalized. I created a place for this family to best enjoy their environment and to live their life to the fullest.